Welcome everyone, it's Sherry Carroll for SimonsStamp.com with the reveal and inspiration for our latest card kit, Just Miss You. I'm going to start you off with the 6x8 clear stamp set, and this is called Just Miss You. It has a bundle of messages for missing you, and it also has these great guys that hang from strings. You can hang them from the clouds, a heart, or even some of the messages. There are longer messages that you can add to the insides of your cards, and also at the bottom there's this large sending smiles. So you can put lots of ideas together. With the sending smiles, you also get a two-piece die. So this is the words and the shadow. And this is a really fun die to put together. You can use your pattern papers. Also, the shadow will fit the sending smiles on the stamp set. So if you want to stamp it and then die cut it, you can do that as well. The fabulous papers for this kit are from Vicki Boutin, and this is the Let's Wander. They are 6x8, double-sided. You'll get 12 in all, and there's plenty of fun rainbow type patterns to put together. So full rainbows, polka dots, rainbow houses, words, also these little cards that you can cut up, some tropical greens, also little airplanes and some background stripes. Also, there are some stars and little letters and envelopes, and some more cards that you can cut up, and also a really faint rainbow pattern, a really nice red, and some strips that you can put together, and on the back side is a map. So these are 6x8. You can get 2 card fronts out of those if you cut that in half and then trim it to your card front. Also included in this kit are these little envelopes with little tiny note cards inside. These are also from the Vicki Boutin Let's Wander, and they have different patterns, but they all have like an index card on the inside. They go with the papers really well, and there's a little folded note card, which some of our little messages from the stamp set will fit on here. And so those unfold. You can handwrite a message or stamp, and super fun. Tuck that in and put that onto your card. We also have some new sequins for this card kit, and these are called Smiles, and they're really beautiful, shiny rainbow colors. So there's all the different colors of the rainbow. So you have blues and pinks and oranges. To go along with this, we're also including a Marvy jewel picker, and this is the broader tip, and it's a green, and it's a very soft plastic, and it's a little bit gooey, I would say, but you can just grab your sequins just by touching them and they pick right up. So that is the broader tip. There's also a smaller tip on the other side. I'll open this up and you can see that's quite a bit smaller, and it does the same thing. So if you have little beads or smaller sequins that you want to grab, you can use a smaller tip. And to keep it protected, just keep those caps on there to keep the dust out. Also in this kit, you're going to get 2 envelopes, and this is the 4-bar craft, and that is a lick it to stick it. And then you also get the Simon Says Stamp A2 envelope, and that has that peel away stick it. And then finally, we have 5 cardstocks for you in this kit, and the first one is Peacock, Royal Purple, Dull Pink, 110-pound Nina White, and then finally Sunshine, and those are 8.5 by 11. So next up I have some inspiration, and our designers went absolutely crazy with this kit, creating a lot of fun projects. I'll start you off with a card that I designed. I used that Sending Smiles die along with the envelope and tucked in a little message, and also have a little hanging guy off to the left. Susan Opal is showing off her fussy cutting skills. She cut out all those flowers and layered them together with a message and also sequins in the center. Callie Person used all those little envelopes with some stamped messages in between, and then she hand wrote little messages that she can tuck right into those envelopes. Cindy Norberg stamped her background and then did a little bit of shading and has her little hanging guy from a heart that has been trimmed out from some of the pattern paper. And finally, Susie Plantamera stamped her clouds and cut those out, stamped messages inside, and then also used that Sending Smiles die. So I hope you've enjoyed this reveal and inspiration of our latest card kit, Just Miss You. Be sure to check out our blog and our galleries for additional inspiration. And as always, thanks so much for watching.